Ready to turn your social media buzz into a booming online store by seamlessly connecting Roposo to your Odoo website. First, ensure you have the necessary modules installed in Odoo. Navigate to the Apps section and confirm that Sales, Inventory, and Accounting are installed and configured. Next, head over to the Settings application in Odoo to enable Developer Mode, which will allow you to access advanced configurations needed for integration. Now, search for a Roposo connector module on the Odoo App Store. Install it to unlock the features that will link your Roposo account with Odoo. After installation, go to the configuration settings of the Roposo connector module, where you'll need to input your Roposo API keys and any other required credentials to authenticate the connection. With the connection established, enable the product sharing option, allowing you to directly share products from your Odoo catalog to your Roposo account with a single click. Finally, monitor your sales orders in Odoo. You'll see orders placed through Roposo clearly marked, allowing you to track conversions and manage fulfillment efficiently, all from one place.